Hello everyone, this is Isam again. This is the second video of the training course. In this video I will be answering these questions. What is a currency pair, what is a pip, what is a spread, and what is a candlestick chart. Let's start with a pair of currency. A pair of currency is the quotation. In definition, guys, is the quotation in the pricing structure of the currencies traded in the forex market. If you don't understand this, you don't have to worry about it. You have to have the knowledge of this. If you do the math and you know how to do the math, you are good. So the representation of a pair of currency is always the first. The first one is the base currency. The first one, like USD. In this case, the first one is the base currency. The second one is the quote currency. They call it a quote currency, equal to 1.5. This is just for the sake of explanation, but the market now is saying USD equal to 1.06843. But this is just an example to facilitate the representation. So USD, this is the base currency, this is the base currency, this is the quote currency, and this is the amount of exchange, the exchange rate. They call it exchange rate. So if you do the math, one euro currency is equal to 1.5 American dollar or USD. So for every 1 USD you get, if you go to the exchange, you're traveling to like for example traveling to Europe, you're an American traveling to Europe and you have a dollar. If you go to Europe and you want to exchange, you will get for $1 your dollar that you have in your pocket 1.5 euro. This is the exchange rate. This is what does this equal. It equals to 1.5. So for every dollar that you have, you will get 1.5 euro. So in general, this is the all the things that you have to know about currency pair. Let's go to the pip. The pip also in definition is the smallest change in the price of a currency pair. The smallest change, the smallest thing. And the smallest thing is the fourth number behind the comma. By the way, guys, pip is an abbreviation of percentage interest point. PIP, PIP, percentage interest point. And technically there is two types of pips. The first type is the other, or let's start with this as a first type. The first type is the pair that has Japanese yen in it. All the pairs with Japanese yen are different than the other pairs. The other pairs are the same thing. So a pip is the fourth number. The fourth number, excuse me, this is wrong. The fourth number, it should be like this. The fourth number, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 9 represents the pip, 1 pip. So if we see that 0.001, it's 0.0001 is 1 pip. And to explain this, guys, it sounds difficult to be explained, but I will explain it this way. Let's say that USD moves from this price to this price. How many pip does this market of USD moves? In order to answer this, I will pull up my calculator just for quick, and I will do this minus this. I will subtract this price, the bigger one, minus the small one. So 1.01822 minus 1.01792 equal to 0.003. And since 1 pip equal to 0.001, how many pip does this market moves? It moves three pips. Okay guys, this is so easy. If you want to apply this to the other type of the pip, which is the sorry, I made a mistake here also, just adjust this. In the Japanese, in the currency pairs that has Japanese yen in it, the number of pip is a second behind the comma. It's 0.01. This number 8 represents the pip in this example. So 0.01, not 0.001. This is for the other type. So to explain this also, I give this example. If the market of euro Japanese yen moves from this price 120 to this price, how many pip does the market move? If you can see here, you can count it without using calculator, but I will use it for the sake of explanation. So I will subtract this from this. So 120.282 minus 120.181 is equal to 0.101. And how many pip? How many pip does the market move from this price to this price? 10.1. 10 pips, 0.1. Because you're going, because since the 1 pip is equal to 0.01 for 1 pip, how many pip is in here? It's 10 times this price, 10.1 times this price. So that's it for the pip. I hope that you understand it. If you don't understand, just send me an email. I won't be explaining this in details. We're done with this. We'll go to the spread. So in general definition, the spread, guys, is the difference between the price you can buy a currency pair from the market and the price you can sell a currency pair to the market. And this definition, you understand that the price of selling is not the same the price of buying. There is a difference. What is the difference? Let me pull up my drawing tool. Yep. So what is the difference between buying and selling? In order to explain this, I have this window of buying and selling. This is the window of buying and selling. I will put it just here. I have this drawing for it already. So this is actual. This is what the market gives actually. If you see when I point my my mouse here, it says sell market and buy market. This is the sell price. This is the sell price. This is the buy price. It's not like if you go to the market, you want to buy something, the sell price is the same the buy price. No, here it's different. You see the price in here is totally different from the price in here. And this is where the spread comes. The spread is difference between this and this. So it's this minus this equal this. This is the spread. It's equals in this case minus 0.1. It can be positive. It can be negative. It can be bigger than this. It can be like, and it's calculated in pips, by the way, guys. This is 0.1 pip. Minus 0.1 pip. Okay, guys, let's move to the other question. I hope that you understand this. The other question is what is a candlestick chart? A candlestick chart, guys, is like this. I need to remove these drawings. Clear all. All right, it's still drawing. Clear all. All right. So the candlestick chart, if you want to change that, there is many types of charts. There is bars, lines, Fibonacci, area, wrinkle, line break. All these are types of charts, and many traders use different of this. But the one that I'm using is a candlestick. That's why I want you. Mostly all the traders that I know use a candlestick. That's why I want you to know about it. So Let's change the time frame from the weekly to 1 hour so that you can see it exactly and see what I want to explain here. I think this video is gonna be longer than the other videos. Anyway, a candlestick chart is represented by too many candlesticks. Like this is a candlestick, this one, this one, this one. All these are candlesticks, and each and every candlestick of this represents the time frame 1 hour. This candlestick took 1 hour to finish, and the formation of the candlestick is like this. Let me give you an example. Let's say that this is a candlestick. Okay guys, this is a candlestick and it has different colors. It can be, excuse me, I'll just finish the drawing. This candlestick can be red or it can be green. When it's red like this, it represents that the price went down. The price went down. But when it's red like this, in the case of a red candlestick, it represents that the price went up. It represents that the price went up from this way. Sorry, wrong drawing tool. So as I said guys, this is the only two types that you will find as a candlestick. This is a descending candlestick. It means that the price went down. The price opened here. This is the opening. The price opened here and closes here. That's why the price, we say that the price went down. So this is the open, this is the close, this is the high, and this is the low. This is low, this is high, H. And this is what they mean. If you see in the chart this O, H, L, and C, they mean these things. So the high, the open, the close, and low. Open, high, low, and close. The same thing, but opposite in this side. When this is a candlestick, represents that the price went up. The price is ascending. So this is what is the open? The open should be this. The close is this, since the price went up, and the high is this. This is the, I'm sorry. This is the high. This is the C close, and this is the low. So the price open here and the close is here, going up. So that's all what you have to know guys about this. That's all what you have to know guys about. So that's all what you have to know guys about the candlestick chart. I hope to see you guys in the next video where I will be explaining other questions, answering other questions. See you guys and take care. Bye.